I will find my cousin today. And I've been killed. I'll just find my cousin from now and play. And we are Yellow and Sia.
Init na kami nito. Nice. Init na kami. Ano nyo guys? Oh!
Ano? Ha? Bakit? Play na nga ako eh. Nag-play na nga ako. Maan na nga ako eh. Nandun kay nanay. Right. Guys, kuha na akong wood.
There's a house here guys.
Yes. Yes, where are you? Yes, where are you? Nasa ka ba?
May house dito.
Please, where are you?
And tignan ko.
Where is she? Okay, nandito ikaw eh. Okay, nandito si... Nandito yung cousin ko. Pero wait lang, hindi ako makadaan at nag-ano. Dali, dito tayo oh. Cousin. Dali, tara rito. Cousin. Dali.
I killed you.
Hindi ako makaano. Dali na. Dali na cousin. Dali na.
Asa ka?
Yung may kulay green. Natuldok. Oh yes, yes. Nasaan ka ba? Dali, tara. Oh, you just leave 62 meters? Oh, hindi naman ako nag-leave. No, why hindi naman ako Hindi naman ako nag-leave. Ah. Oh, wag ka mag... Ayun.
No, what are you doing? Where are you going?
Dali, tara rito.
Sabihin ako.
Ano, what?
We are Saya and Yellow.
Yellow.
Wait, stand ka lang. Huwag ka muna mag-ano.
Papatayin mo lang ako. Papatayin.
Hindi kita papatayin. I promise we're gonna build a house.
Then sabihin ni build the house.
Ano this?
Not the dirt. Wood. Oh my god. You can sit. What? Bro. They are killing each other. Oh. Let's fight. Let's fight. Uh-oh. Yes, I got a lot. I got a sword. I got a sword, guys. I got a sword. This is wonderful. I can just fight my cousin. I can just fight my cousin, but where is she? But where is she? I'll just collect wood. Don't even think about this.
I'm gonna take
Don't be here. Don't. Just leave me here. Please. Just leave me.
Why would even I leave you? You are
We can just fight. We can fight. We can fight.
even someone
Wait.
I can't even see you.
Nasaan ka? Where are you? Bro. Bro, click this thing. This you here. Click that thing.
Kung maglayo sa akin, malapit ka na.
Okay, I'll just...
As you can see guys,
And do this.
Opo.
Mama, troop tayo eh, di ba?
I'm sorry kasi nilagyan sa akin. Ang dayo ko. Kuya, asan ka? Ano? Nawala yung green. Ayun, I can see.
Ayaw nga! Lumutang ko. Guys, nakalimutan ko itong crafting table.
Magawa ba ng crafting table?
I can craft.
Dali may crafting.
Okay, you can just make a stick. And I know what I do.
Wow! Yellow!
Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.
Papansin mo. Epa! Papansin.
I'm sorry, that's really
Papansin na wala to ng sis ko. Hindi na ako sa mga napipapal.
Okay, let's fight together. Oh, I forgot. I got a sword. I got my sword. Crafting.
Okay. Ikaw guys, nag-aaway ng mga pinsan ko, diba? Diba?
Yes.
Pero nag-aaway ko ninyo. Okay. It's not good.
Yes.
Huwag ko kasi may papay,
I'm sorry. You can take this crafting table. You can take this crafting table, bro. 3B. Okay. Wish.
Oy! Mansod siya.
Ah! Haha. You are really scared from that. I will kill it. I will kill it. I will kill it, my cousin. I will kill it. Oh. I'll kill it. Where are you? You got a sword? Okay.
I have a sword.
Oh, okay.
You shut up, dude. I still don't.
Bro, where is the... Okay, there's a lot of players. There.
Huwag ko kasi napapatay kayo.
There.
Hindi mo nakakatawa. Where are you? I can see.
Where even? Oh, are you there?
Give me a
Okay.
sword. Please,
I
give
can't-
me your table back.
I can't do it. How? How to do this? I can't do it. I didn't even learn this.
I don't know.
Oh, I forgot. I can just... Yes, that thing. Give me the one. Give me the one, bro.
What?
You didn't want the crafting table.
Give me that. I have a crafting table now. Give me the sword, okay?
Okay. I'll just give you the... Oh, the sword. Wait, what?
It's a sword.
Where's the sword? Here. Okay.
Alright. You just use it, bro.
Let's mine.
I still don't have a mining session. Mining. You can mine. It's a dirt. Sabi, tama ko. Bigyan mo ako ng Uy.
Yan?
Oo.
Bro,
Bigyan mo ako
okay.
ng
I'll give you this axe.
Not that, yung pang mine.
The mine.
Yung pang mine. Give me na ako ng stick.
Bro.
Give me na ako ng stick.
Okay, I'll give you the stick. Where is that? Okay, I'll give you the stick. What? Oh, I forgot it. Give me the here, behind you. The stick is behind you. Give me the pickaxe.
Ay. Oh, okay.
Bro, give
I'm
me.
gonna give you the pickaxe.
Bro, you're a liar. You're a liar.
Give it back to you.
Give me.
Binigay ko
Okay.
na
You didn't even give me the pickaxe.
Binigay ko na ba sa'yo?
Bro, you didn't even...
I already gave it to you. Ayun na baga, oh.
Oh, okay. I forgot. Bro. Didn't even... Bro! Someone's killing me. Please save me. Save me, bro. Please save me.
Can you give me an axe?
Bro, please save me. Someone is killing me.
That guy?
Yes. That guy is killing me.
Just kill me.
Okay. Let's build. You build the house. I mine. You build. Haha. Gawakbo. Dali na. I mine. I mine yung ano. Oh my god.
Sa likod mo.
Ikaw tao ka. Sama mo naman. Sama mo. Ikaw tao ka. Papatayin ko na ikaw. Ikaw. Ayan, take mo na ito lahat.
Oh, thank you. Asan ka?
Dali, take mo na ito lahat. Kuhain mo na.
Thank you very much.
Yan.
my dude.
Oh my god, you just fell.
Yeah! Wala rin to. Wait lang. Hintay mo ako. Pag namamatay ka, naandun pa din?
Nope.
Ginawa mo na eh.
No, bro. It's just here, bro. It's really high. It's really high. It's here. It's here. Where are you? Okay. You mine the woods. And build the house. Then I will
Loading pa. Loading pa
I will mine, you will.
I will mine.
Because I
We'll
got
take
a
the
pickaxe.
We take the woods.
I got a pickaxe, bro.
I got the pickaxe.
I need a pickaxe. Oh, I
You need a shovel?
no. Where's my hands? Yes. Here.
Babata pala. Okay guys, last na update ko na to sa inyo. Hey Angela, where are you?
Nandito ako.
Bigyan kita. Gonna give you something.
What?
Give you something.
What? What you will give me? What is that?
Alright, bye-bye guys. No, but now.
Bye! Mamo, isag mo raw. Ay, dito ba to? Isag mo raw ako dito. Subscribe.
Gago yan. Sarili na niya.
Yes, makuha akong ano. Yes! Oh. I'll get iron. Hiwagang kuweba. Ito yung mahiwagang kuweba.
Hindi ko nag-upload.
Paano i-upload? Ha?
Pero ano lang ko to?
Wait lang. Nagpapaano na ba ako?
Hindi po din na ano eh.
Ayun. Kahit ang ano ko naman. Uy, mabre-break na yung pickaxe ko. Kailangan ko na stone. Wala na. Basta lang. Wala na. Wala na akong pickaxe. Ulitin ko na lang. Ito.
Alright, we're ready. Bukas ka mag-upload ha?
Oo.
Upload tayo bukas.
Okay. Maanra ako. Magawa ko ng stone pickaxe. Stone pickaxe. Ayun. Tapos stone sword. Okay, stone sword. Okay, may bago na akong gamit. Na ako, mamay na uli. Wala ka po ang iron. Oh my god. I can get, diamonds. Dito na muna ako sa,
Ako na. Natapusin ko na ito ay.
oh, coal. Okay. Coal is very nice.
Clear ano? Roblox tapos Minecraft.
Okay. It's a lot of coal. Bro, this is a lot of coal.
Anong use?
Yes.
Ayan. Hindi yan ang bili mo ay.
Okay. Okay.
Hindi yan ang bili mo.
I forgot where it is.
Hindi yan ang bili mo. Ay.
Hindi, gusto ka bili mo?
Okay. Let's go mine again. I'll cover this stuff.
Ah, putang galan. Ah, tanggalan yan.
Okay. This is wonderful. Oh, ladder. I have enough coal. Please give me iron. Give me iron. Give me. Yes!
kayo, di naman mag-eat.
Yes!
Ano? Basta po mo.
That's a lot.
Yan, grade.
Please.
Pag dapat
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Okay, I'll just... Okay. I got $10. Bro. And another one. This is so lucky. This is so lucky. If I didn't kill, I'll just live. I will live. Really live. 5 minutes.
Huli ka na. Gawin ko ganun.
Okay, another full.
Yung pagkain mo sa...
Ay, ito na.
Sound.
Sana. Ay, hindi na ako makano. Kuha nito.
Eh, mag-ano.
Ayun. Ano na yung ano ko? Kailangan ko mag-smell. Sana. May ano pa. Uy, ayun. Wala. Ay. Wala. Ay. Mining iron.